You just fell down.
Yeah, everything fell down.
So bad.
I've lived through a lot of earthquakes, but this one was pretty scary. Yeah. This was scary.
Back in a couple of minutes. I'm Larry Sharp, and I'll be handling this here for a little while this morning, and then we're just going to go all day long as
All I was saying is, like, don't fall off the jacks, don't fall off the jacks. It was bouncing around pretty good. And then I came out and
What is the smell?
oh, I got, might have been paint that got spilled.
It was, we were on the dock right here, and it was shaking. You could feel it shaking. We knew it was an earthquake.
.20 in the morning, and all of a sudden it started to rock and roll. I got a place out here on the river, and of course we're all sitting on old marsh, and it shook like I've been in 7.2 earthquakes, and this was much worse than that. But then I found out that
everything in the house is trashed. Everything. You know, people are chasing their boats down the river. You know, if you want to take a picture, go out back. You know, it was pretty scary, to be honest with you. You know, like I said, we've done some cleanup too. You know, everything just came down, you know.
At first I thought I was just dreaming because it felt like one of those dreams where I couldn't move, but after my shelf and my fish tank fell over, I knew it was real, and then
Those are heavy solid wood dressers. Those aren't pressed wood crap, you know what I'm saying? No way to clean that up because we don't even have power. We can't even start to get the water up.
That is crazy.
Yeah. But yeah, like you said, we're pretty lucky in reality. Some people, I've heard there's some houses that got caught on fire, stuff like that. And I've never seen the wetlands like that either. They've never been that high and raised and cracked. They've never been like that. It looks like it's raised about 4 feet. Those were never there before.
I don't know if I can even describe it. The house was swaying and shaking. I mean, and it wasn't a rolling. It was tipping, but like the whole thing.
Oh, okay. Cool. You got that? What do you think of your camera?
Large cracks in the pavement creates some slowdown on the highways.
In the morning to just massive shaking. The house was shaking. We weren't sure what was going on, and
It means
Yes, we have experienced earthquakes before, but this time the motion was just incredible because it happened in all three planes.
A water sprinkler break, and so it flooded the building, and also stuff was strewn all over the place. So
it just seemed like it went on forever. Then we went and checked on everything and all the neighbors.
This video is just a quick overview of the videos are recorded in the epicenter and nearby locations. One of the amazing stories I've heard is that people were literally taken airborne from their beds. Also, another lady said that 15 seconds before the actual impact, her dog went crazy. On this map you can see the epicenter where the geological services provided, and you will see the interviews, and they're from these locations to the north and to the south of epicenter. Subscribe to the channel and wait for more videos to be uploaded.